Black water system and piping problems on ships. Most black water system problems on ships don't start at the treatment unit. They start in the piping design. We've seen vessels dealing with recurring toilet vacuum loss, persistent odors, and pipe corrosion. One of the most underestimated issues is poor pipe routing geometry. Long horizontal runs, incorrect pipe slopes, and improperly positioned transport pockets create unstable flow conditions inside the system. The result? Air pockets, intermittent vacuum collapse, and irregular sewage transport through the piping system. In vacuum black water systems, the piping arrangement is critical. If transport pockets are not correctly designed, vacuum issues will most likely occur. The system starts cycling irregularly. Vacuum pumps work harder, energy consumption increases, maintenance frequency goes up. Another major issue is corrosion. Black water piping is continuously exposed to aggressive biological media, humidity, condensate, and chemical cleaning agents. Poor material selection, damaged coatings, or low-flow stagnant areas accelerate internal corrosion and premature pipe degradation. And when venting is not properly designed, creates odor migration across accommodation areas. Therefore, a good black water system design must take into account flow stability, maintainability, ventilation. That's where specialized piping engineering makes the difference. Flowazur Consulting, where complex systems are made to work at sea. Reach us at flowazur.com.